Hey guys, this is Isaac with Car Barn in Central Florida, and today up for your consideration is a 2003 Ford ThunderBird. Believe it or not, this has only 899 one-owner original miles. This is a very mint condition car. It looks brand new inside. A little bit of backstory on it. Well, here's the miles first. 899. A little bit of backstory on it. A gentleman had bought it for his wife for their anniversary, and about a month after the purchase of the car, his wife came down with Alzheimer's, and even though it probably would have been fine that she drove it, he didn't feel comfortable with her driving it, so it mainly just sat in the garage, and it looks brand new. There's no tears in the top. There's no tears in the seats. Like I said, it looks brand spanking new. Also, the motor compartment on this car is very, very clean. You can definitely tell it only has 899 miles. And this is the underneath. That's the front. And this is the back. It looks brand new. You can call me at my cell phone at 352-663-7382 for more information and to talk about price. Thank you very much. This is Isaac with Car Barn in Central Florida.